Good morning, Clay.Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today we're going to show you a 2022 Eclipse Attitude SAG with the double slide. So on the inside here, this has got the real nice traditional wood look. Eclipse offers a few different color choices for their cabinetry, which is great. So if you don't like this particular color, maybe we can get the same floor plan in a different color as well. So this one does have onboard generator. It's got the nice size fridge, the big TV, corner counter, kitchen area with about 16 feet of cargo space. This has the opposing dinette in the rear, the patio ramp cable kit, as well as plenty of seating and plenty of tables. So if we're need to get out of the weather and stay inside, we got plenty of room for seating, as well as plenty of room for, comfort with tables in the dinette area, at the patio window, and here in front of the couch. A wardrobe slide in the bedroom, walk around queen size bed, fuel station, fuel pump, power awning. Again, pretty well equipped for this model, and very well pointed with the colors and interior as far as the way the Eclipse makes them with the LED lights. So if you have any questions, make sure you contact me. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. I've been here about 16 years, so real glad to have this product here and be able to show you why we have it in stock. So if you have any questions, make sure you contact Clay.Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. Thank you and have a great day.